Premiere screening, a gateway to new beginnings. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that you might have heard in the world of cinema and entertainment: premiere screening. This term is not just about movies, but it's a window into understanding how events are celebrated and introduced to the public. So, let's unravel the meaning and usage of premiere screening together. Premiere screening refers to the very first showing of a movie, documentary, TV show, or any other visual content before it is released to the general public. This event is special because it's often attended by the cast, crew, celebrities, and sometimes even the media. The premiere is a glamorous affair, marked by red carpets, interviews, and a showcase of fashion. It's an opportunity for creators to celebrate their hard work and for audiences to get a first glimpse of the project. Premiere screenings hold a significant place in the entertainment industry for several reasons. Marketing and buzz. They generate excitement and buzz around the new release, helping to attract a wider audience. Feedback opportunity. For filmmakers and producers, it's a chance to gauge initial reactions and receive feedback from a select audience. Celebratory event. It marks the culmination of the creative process, serving as a celebration for those who worked on the project. There are various types of premiere screenings, each serving a different purpose. World premiere, the first ever screening of the content, anywhere in the world. International premiere, the first screening in a country outside of where it was originally produced. Red carpet premiere, a highly publicized event with a focus on the glamour and attendance of celebrities. Attending a premiere is an exciting experience, but it's usually by invitation only. Invitations are often extended to people involved in the project, industry professionals, and sometimes, through contests or promotions, to fans. The attire is typically formal or theme-based, adding to the event's exclusivity and allure. We hope this video has shed light on the exciting world of premiere screenings. Whether you're a movie enthusiast or just curious about the term, understanding these events helps you appreciate the effort and celebration behind bringing creative projects to life. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to exploring more interesting topics with you. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.